Opening shot. Worried parent watching child cough. Is your child's wet cough lasting more than 4 weeks? You might think it's just a cold, but it could be something more serious. New research reveals this lingering cough may be a sign of protracted bacterial bronchitis, a condition caused by ongoing infection in the lungs. Left untreated, it can lead to long-term lung damage or even chronic illness. The good news, with the right antibiotics, most kids recover quickly. So don't ignore that cough. Trust your instincts. Talk to your doctor. Early action could protect your child's lungs for life. Credit. Stock.